Hi guys, so today we're going to show you how to fill in the Win at Life journal. So you'll see that the Win at Life system is explained in the first few pages. Basically, the main premise is that when you track your feelings and your daily activities, you'll spot patterns and be able to balance your day better. So the first section is all about how you wake up in the morning. You'll fill in the date, how many hours of sleep you've had, and then you'll fill in your mood today and why you feel that way. It's really important to give space to your feelings, that way you can always improve and have a better day tomorrow. Then you'll see that the next section is about your exercise. So it's not just about going to a gym class or going for a run, it's also about how much you've moved your body throughout the day. So you should aim for about 30 minutes minimum. So whether that's a walk or you go to a class, doesn't matter, just fill it in and try and aim for better tomorrow. That's the whole idea. So then you'll see that after you fill in your exercise, you need to start tracking your breakfast, lunch, dinner and snacks. Obviously a healthy balanced diet will help and affect your mood massively. So when you're tracking your mood and tracking how things affect how you feel, it's so important to think about what you've eaten and what you've fueled your body with that day. So it's really important to give a word to the way you feel, whether it's positive or negative. This helps you process your emotions, but also gives you something to look back on. So you can look back at the start of the week and think, okay, I didn't feel so great there. What was I doing and how have I improved that? That's why this next section is so important as well. Actually tracking the time you spend with family and friends or outside or on your own personal goals will show you how much time and energy you're giving to yourself and the things that matter and help you tweak those habits and improve your routine. So once you've filled that in, it's all about giving yourself a motivational quote to help you feel more on top and positive about everything that you're doing. You can always turn to the back section of the book, which has tabs for every single feeling and will help you deal with stress, help you feel happier, more confident. We'll give you advice and a bit of a checklist about some of the activities you should be trying to do to improve your mood and feel like you're winning at life every single day.